Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a structure block to export a 3D model in Minecraft Education Edition. Alrighty, before we begin, you need to make sure that you're an operator, so I can just check that simply by going here and I can see that I've got the crown. I'm good to go. Alright, to begin with, I've built this model and this is my chess set on a table that I would now like to export as a 3D model. And from there, I could put it into augmented reality, or I could just use the apps, the 3D Viewer app within Microsoft to have a look at it. Right, I'm going to need to use a structure block. So I'm going to push E to bring up my inventory, and now I'm going to search for structure. Okay, now I've got it. I'll chuck her in. When I place my structure block, you'll notice that a white cubed area comes up. This is the capture area that the structure block is currently using, and here I can see it. There's nothing there because it's not quite correct. Over here you can see my size, so X being width, Y being the vertical, and Z being depth, and I could change these to make the area that I want larger or smaller. Okay, I can also offset this, which is what I would have to do now to fix this. But I think for the purposes of this, we'll make it a bit easier. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to go to another corner of the model and see if it's automatically going to be going the right direction. Yeah, it's still not great. I could fix that with offset, but it's going to be easier. Just go around. I'll try another one. Aha. So I can see that it's heading the right direction, but I need to change the sizes. So I'm going to now change my sizes, right clicking on my structure block, and I'm going to change the width to say 15, and then I'll change the depth to the same at 15. Okay, easily got it. And my vertical, let's go 12. Okay, which is heaps. Alright, now I can see that I have the model right there. I'm going to make some slight adjustments and show you what I'm doing. I'm not going to need to offset because I can see that I've already got it, the whole model in there, in the frame. I've brought my X back to 12. Yep, that's pretty good. And I'll might bring that the same. Looking good. And my Y, I might bring down to 9. Aha, here we go. Alright, so there's my model, and I could easily export it right there with the grass if I wanted. But for this I want to actually get rid of the grass. So I'm going to go to my offset now, and I can see that the Y is -1. So that's why you can see this block of grass below. I'll change that to 0. Good. And now I've still got my structure block in there. So I'm going to offset and see if I can get rid of it. Go 1 that way. Beautiful. So I just changed it just like that. Okay, so that's it. All I have to do now is export my model. Okay, this video won't show you my file location because I'm using the Xbox game functions, but I will export. Just clicking this button, you'll see your file explorer will come up. Save it wherever you want, and then you are done. That's it, and I can get back out, and that is how to use structure blocks with Minecraft Education Edition. Thanks.